Welcome to the class. We'll just start. We'll start with warm up. Let's start with neck exercise. Keeping little distance between two legs. Hands at the waistline. Exhaling, slowly head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Close your eyes. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Come to center. Now inhaling, turn head right, chin and the shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling center. Inhaling left, chin and the left shoulder should be in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling center. We will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take head towards right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Now we will rotate only shoulder ball movement forward. Do it 5-6 times. And then anti-clockwise. Now hands up and down alternatively from front. Stretch from both the sides. Elbow should be straight. Now both the hands up and down. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palm looking down. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows at the front. Now keep both the hands on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Relax. Keep little distance between two legs. Now rotate only abdomen. Keep the hands at the waistline. Abdomen, clockwise rotation. Only abdomen should get rotated. Do it 3-4 times. And then anti-clockwise. Keeping the legs over there, join the palms at the front, little down. If you want, you can keep more distance than shoulder width for a little better balance. Now inhaling, slowly take the hands up towards the head. Once it is straight line, stretch up. Now exhaling, slowly bend back. Maximum. Simultaneously take the hands towards 180 degrees. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Hands coming along with the ears, join the palms at the top. Slowly bring the hands from the forward, from front. Keep it over there. Relax yourself. Again inhaling, slowly take them up. Do it one more time. Stretch up. Exhaling, bend back. In the final position, normal breathing. Hands in 180 degrees. Now inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Hands coming towards the head. Join the palms at the top. Exhaling, bring them down from the front. Relax. Bring both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now inhale. Exhaling, bend towards your right. Only towards right. Lift chin a little more up. Slowly come back while exhaling. Normalize the breath. Inhale. Stretch yourself up and exhaling. Bend towards left. Lift the chin a little more up so that you can bend more. The extra fat at the abdomen area towards the sides will reduce. Slowly come back. Relax. Now keep distance between two legs more than shoulder width. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Inhaling, bend back. Exhaling, bend forward. Hands going towards the feet, respective feet. Completely bend forward. A little more without bending the knees. Now swing towards right and left. Alternatively, take the left hand up while right hand coming towards left feet, and right hand up when left hand coming towards right feet. Look towards the hand going up. Swing. Lower back should be down. Only chest and shoulders should be rotating. Relax. Slowly come back. Sit on the asana. Whenever you relax in sitting position, make sure you have hands behind the back, little distance between two legs. Looking up, close your eyes and recollect. Once you normalize your breath, bring both the legs together. Now fold the right leg. Bring the heel very close to the Jangha Mul. right knee towards the floor. Send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Now keeping the leg straight. Fold the right leg. Fold the toes or feet. Bring the feet very close to the chest and send it back. Do it 3 times. Now hold the toes with right hand, heel with left hand. Exhaling, lift the leg up above the head while exhaling. Don't bring the head down, look up. Slowly place the heel on the left knee. Now try to push right knee towards the floor while sitting straight, looking forward. Now hold knee with right hand, ankle with left hand, move it horizontal. When you are stretching more towards the right, make sure knee is going down, heel is lifted up so that it can stretch a little more. Similarly, vertical movement alongside with left leg. Relax the right leg. We'll do all this with left leg. Fold the left leg. Bring it close to the Jengamul, the hip joint, and send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Don't drag the leg. Gently lift and place it close to the hip joint. Now fold the right leg, hold the toes at the feet, bring the feet very close to the chest and send it back. Do it 3 times. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now hold the toe with right hand, heel with left hand, looking up, lift the leg above the head while exhaling. Now place the heel on the right knee. With the left hand, try to push the knee towards the floor, looking forward. Now catch hold of the ankle with right hand, knee with the left hand, move it horizontal, maximum towards left. Hold the toe with right hand, move it vertical now, alongside the right leg. All these exercises will help you to sit in Padmasana. Relax. We'll sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel right side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. So much so that there is very minimum gap between 2 heels. Both the knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Elbows very close to the body. Wrists on the knees. Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Close the eyes gently. We will normalize the breath with deep and long breathing. Exhale. Completely exhale. See, the root of the navel touches the backbone. Apply Moolband. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again, apply Moolband. Relax and repeat 2 more times. Exhale. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside and feel that the root of the navel touches the spine inside, and apply Moolband. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again, apply Moolband. Repeat 1 more time. Once you are done, relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Om. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. Those who cannot get up without support, come on to the knees and then get up. We will do Trikonasana part 2. Keep distance between 2 legs should be more than shoulder width or comfortable distance. Now keep hands in 180 degrees. Turn the right leg towards right. Left palm looking up. Inhaling. First inhale. Now exhaling. Bend towards your right. Knee should be straight. Elbow should be straight. Right hand going towards the right feet. Left hand going up. Look towards the left hand. If you are comfortable, you can place the right hand on the floor, but make sure knee is not bent. It should be straight and stretched. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Hands in 180 degrees. Turn the right leg straight. Now left leg turning towards left. Right palm looking up. First inhale. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Left palm going towards left feet. Right hand going up. Both the elbows straight. Knee straight. If you are comfortable. Now bend a little more without bending the knees. Try to place left palm on the floor. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Come back, normalize the legs and the hands. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart. Hands along with the body. Normalize your breath. Eyes gently closed. First come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders along with the ears. Now inhaling, bend back from the cervical. Only head and neck should go back, looking forward. Hands should go to the extent ears go. Vishuddhi chakra will get activated. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache or slip disc, don't bend forward. Completely exhale, bend forward. And palms should be placed either side of the feet. Knees should be straight. Manipur chakra will get activated. If you are able to touch the fingers on the floor, bend a little more. Try to place the palm, entire palm on the floor, but make sure knees are straight. Forehead towards the knees. Those who cannot place the palm on the floor, bend knees a little, place both the palms on the floor. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left legs 90 degrees between two hands. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back, look up. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. From now on, make sure hands and legs should not move. Head inside. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Sahasrara chakra will get activated at the crown of the head. The calf muscles will push the bad blood towards the heart for purification. Purified blood will go to the brain. The brain function will improve. The sciatica problem will go away. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor, knees straight, elbows straight, entire weight on the palms. Place the knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, hands very close to the chest, elbows looking up. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift the lower abdomen a little. All 8 limbs will be surrendered to the earth. The ego problem will go away. Heart function will improve. Anahata chakra will get activated. Pushing body forward. Bend back. Straighten the elbows. From navel. Try to bend back maximum. Knees should be on the floor. Toes in standing position. Both the legs together. Mooladhara chakra will get activated. The back pain, slip disc related issues will go away.
Only once in Surya Namaskar we will be in this position. Try to stay little longer. Exhaling, lift yourself up and go back. Try to place heels on the floor. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Since head is inside, bend inside. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Concentrate at Sahasrara chakra. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head up, look back, look up. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. The insulin production will be normal. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and try to see if you can place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Knees should be straight. Concentrate at Manipur chakra behind the navel on the backbone. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi chakra behind the throat on the backbone. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back. Vishrant. Since we have activated all 7 chakras, when you are relaxing on the back, recollect the benefits. Recollect all the chakras. Relax and recoup the energy for next asanas. Turning from right, sit in relaxed position. Once you are comfortable, slowly come on to the Vajrasana, placing both the hands towards right, folding legs from left in one go. Toes together, heels apart, sit in between. Relax, normalize the breath. We will be doing Supta Vajrasana. Those who are comfortable, they can do completely. Those who are not comfortable, try to do it at least 50%. Now, try to take the feet above the hips. It should be little more than the shoulder width, and sit in between. Hips should touch the floor. Legs should be outside the hips. It should not. You should not sit on the heels. Knees together. Once you are comfortable in this position, now catch hold of the respective ankles or the feet. Slowly bend back. Try to place right elbow on the floor and then left elbow on the floor. See if you are comfortable as of now. Make sure knees are together. If you are comfortable, slowly bend back, take out the hands and make a pillow of both the palms and place it under the head. Relax in this position. Make sure both the knees are together. Entire back is relaxed on the asana. Normal breathing. If you are comfortable, you can stay as long as you are breathing normal. Those who cannot come to this position, they should stay with support of your elbows. If you are not comfortable, slowly take out the hands, catch hold of the ankles or the feet with elbows on the floor. Right elbow on the floor, try to lift yourself up, and then left elbow, come back to the previous position and slowly come back to the Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Close your eyes and then relax. This is very good asana for ladies. Those who can practice, even pregnant women can also practice if they are comfortable. We will do Manduk Asana. Make a fist of both the hands, thumb inside, close with rest of the four fingers. Root of the thumb should be either side of the navel. Gently press either side of the navel with the thumbs or the hands. Inhaling, lift yourself up without lifting the hips from the heels. Just lift yourself. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Look up, don't look down. Chin should go down, not the forehead. Even in the complete bend position, hips should be touching the heels. And make sure you are gently pressing at the navel, either side of the navel. The displacement of navel will come to the original position. Lower abdomen organs will get torn up. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Now, make a cup of your hand, left hand, place it on the navel. Palm should not touch the navel, it should be around the navel. And right hand on top of the left hand. Gently press around the navel. Inhaling, lift yourself up. Exhaling, bend forward. Make sure hips are touching the heels. Chin going down. Look forward or look up. Don't look down. Even in the complete bend position, palm should not touch the navel. It should be around the navel. Gently press it. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. And lie down on Sithilasana right side. Vishrant in right side. Sithilasana right side. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. The hand should be little far from the eyes so that both the shoulders will be in the normal position. Sithilasana right side will normalize high blood pressure and it will help for insomnia. Slowly come on to the abdomen. Both the hands very close to the cheeks, either side of the cheeks. Legs together. We will be doing Bhujangasana. In fact, we will do Tiryak Bhujangasana. Inhaling from the navel, lift the head, first lift the head and the chest. There should not be any weight on the palms. Lift till navel. Stay there for some time. Now lift completely, even straighten the elbows from navel. The entire body is lifted up, elbows straight. Now exhaling, bend towards your right and try to see the right leg from feet till thigh joint. Try to see the entire leg. Exhaling, slowly come back. Now inhaling, turn towards your left and try to see the right leg now. Twist the chest portion. Exhaling, slowly come back. Slowly go down. Shithalasana, left side Vishrant. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Both the lung lobes on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Shithalasana, left side will normalize low blood pressure. Bring the right hand under the head. Turn back. Come on to the backbone. We will do Markatasana. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels very close to the hips. It should touch the hips. Now keep both the hands in 180 degrees. Inhaling, bend legs towards right, head towards left. Left ear on the floor. Press right knee with left knee, right heel with left heel. Twist yourself as if you are extracting the water from wet towel. Exhaling, slowly come back. Check the position of your heels. If required, take support from hands. Again, bring both the hands in 180 degrees. Inhaling, Bend the legs towards left, head towards right, right ear on the floor. Now press left knee with right knee, left heel with right heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction. Exhaling, slowly come back. Now keep 1 feet distance between two heels and the hips. We will do Tiryak Markatasana. Inhaling, turn legs towards right, head towards left, left ear on the floor. Now see the left knee touching the right heel, both the knees on the floor. Twist yourself. Exhaling, slowly come back and check the position of the heels. Now inhaling, turn the legs towards left, head towards right. Now right knee should touch the left heel. Twist yourself. Try to place both the knees on the floor. Exhaling, slowly come back. Straighten the legs, but keep the hands over there. Now lift right leg to 45 degrees. Inhaling, bring the right leg towards left hand, head towards right, right ear on the floor. Exhaling, slowly take it back. Keep it at 45 degrees. Now rotate right leg in clockwise 3 times, maximum towards right. It should be like an uppercase of D when you are rotating. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Relax. Now lift left leg to 45 degrees. Inhaling, bring the leg towards right hand, head towards left, left ear on the floor. Twist yourself. Normal breathing in the final position. Exhaling, slowly come back. Keep the leg in 45 degrees. Now rotate clockwise 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times, maximum towards left. And anti-clockwise 3 times. Relax. Once you are done, relax. Now lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Now take the legs towards right, head towards left. Twist yourself in opposite direction. Slowly come back to 90 degrees toes in stretching position. Now inhaling, take legs towards left, head towards right. Exhaling, bring the legs towards 90 degrees. Now rotate both the legs together, make a bigger circle, clockwise 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Slowly come back. Normalize the hands. Relax the legs. Relax in Savasana. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands along with the body. Normalize your breath with heavy inhalation and exhalation 2-3 times. Now introspect the entire body with your mental eye. From right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe, and vice versa. And then all organs. Turning from right, come on to sitting position. We will quickly laugh for 30 seconds. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Let's laugh for 30 seconds all together. Inhaling. Relax. Sit in Padmasana. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Relax. Left hand on the knees. Chin Mudra. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra. We will do Bhastrika. Close the left nostril. With right nostril, inhale and exhale 10 times with force. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation, complete exhalation.
Final stage. Start inhaling deep from right nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply triple. Hold for some time. Release bandhas. Exhale from left nostril. Again apply triple. Release. Now we will inhale and exhale from left nostril same number of times. Now inhale deep from left nostril. Hold breath inside. Apply triple. Release bandhas. Exhale from right nostril. Again apply triple. Release. In third stage, we will inhale from right and exhale from left, and inhale from left and exhale from right nostril same number of times. Now inhale deep from right nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply triple. Release bandhas. Exhale from left nostril. Hold breath outside. Apply triple. Release and then relax. Now both the hands on the knees, chin mudra. Now inhale and exhale from both the nostrils same number of times. In the final stage, inhale deep, hold the breath inside, apply triple. Exhale, again apply triple and then relax. Let's start. Now inhale deep, hold the breath inside, apply triple. Release bandhas. Exhale completely. Again apply triple. Release bandhas and then relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will quickly do Sitali Pranayam. Fold the tongue into U shape. Take the tongue out. Inhale through the tongue. Inhale completely. Hold the breath inside. Apply triple. Hold for some time. Relax bandhas and exhale completely. Again apply triple. That is one round. Let's start. Take the tongue out. Fold it into U shape as a pipe and inhale through the tongue. Inhale completely. Take tongue inside. Close the lips. Hold the breath inside. Apply triple. Relax bandhas. Exhale completely through nostrils. And again apply triple.
relax. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. Inhale through the tongue. Close the lips. Apply Triban. Release bandhas and exhale completely. Again apply Triban and then relax. Once you are completed, relax. Don't stop in between. We will quickly do meditation. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Concentration at Agnya Chakra between 2 eyebrows. Chant internally Om 20 times. Start focusing on the tip of the nose. Just observe the breathing pattern, the inhalation and exhalation. Relax. We will chant Om once and then Mrityunjay mantra. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityurukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back 3-4 times. Right and left. Clockwise 2-3 times. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.